Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with NerdWallet, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the NerdWallet website or download the mobile app. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the budgeting section of the site or app. Select the option to create a new budget. Identify your income sources and input your total monthly income. List all your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments. Add variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. Be sure to categorize each expense accurately. Review your past spending to get a clearer picture of your habits. Adjust your budget categories as necessary based on your goals. Set savings goals for emergency funds, retirement, or other future expenses. Use the available tools to track your spending throughout the month. Regularly check in to see how you're sticking to your budget. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Utilize NerdWallet's tips and resources to optimize your budgeting strategy. Keep your budget flexible to adapt to unexpected changes in income or expenses. Revisit your goals regularly to ensure they align with your financial situation. Celebrate small victories as you meet your budgeting targets. Use the insights gained from your budgeting process to improve your financial literacy. This complete guide will help you achieve financial stability using NerdWallet's budgeting tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.